This is another thing that has worked well for me this year, and that is planting all these pots that I got from the Dollar Tree, most of them, with this, oh, what is it called again? It's not, oh, it's a vinca major. And my thought was, because it's on this retaining wall, I thought they would send out runners and drape down this retaining wall, which they haven't done yet. And it's now August, and I planted these, I think in May, April or May. So that was a little bit of a disappointment, but they still look nice, I think, to have something on this wall. And I'm trying to decide maybe if I put them in the garage over the winter, or maybe put them down on the ground here and heavy mulch, like leaf mulch over them. Maybe they'll winter over and I can still use them again next year. So I'm hoping to do that, and then maybe next year they'll send out the runners. The plants were all free for me because I've got this big patch over here, and actually this side used to be the same thing, and so I dug up all the vinca on this side so I could plant this garden. So that's where I got those plants from. And this has been doing well. I would definitely want to keep all these plants here for next year. I'm hoping that some of them will do even better. I'm a little concerned about the astilbe here, which is looking not like it's thriving as much as the others. And sometimes why are names escaping me? This plant here, it looks fine now, but later in the afternoon it looks wilty. I should know the name of that. It's escaping me. But I'm really happy with how this turned out, because I just planted this spring from other areas. I just took plants from other areas in my yard, and so I'm hoping this does well next year too.